So when faced with replacing a complete system, what do we recommend? For our region, in the Houston and surrounding areas, we have long, hot, humid summers. It makes sense to move up to something with a little bit better technology. Most new homes are furnished with single-stage equipment, I'm sure due to costs, but most people don't have to replace their air conditioning system that many times in their lifetime. So when that time comes, we would recommend to consider moving up to at least two-stage equipment, if not multi-capacity equipment, to get something that's, one, more efficient, that will operate at different capacities and do a much better job in removing humidity for the air, thus raising the comfort level in the home. And instead of replacing it like for like, pulling out a single-stage system and putting in a new single-stage system you're gonna get the same results. Moving up to at least two-stage equipment, you're improving your situation as far as comfort level as well as indoor air quality.